Hey, here's a quick tutorial on Google Draw if you've never used it before, how to open one, how to edit one, how to download one as a JPEG so you can upload it as a photo file. So from your Google Drive, you would just click New, and then a lot of times you have to go down to More, and then you would click on Google Drawings to start one. I already have one pulled up here, and it would be untitled up here, but you can call it, My Community Web or your name. But you can change that. And so once you've started one, you have this blank template here, and you can do almost anything. You know, if we think about like a mind map or a web, I feel like a lot of times I start with a circle, you know, and here is where I might put my name. Let's see, I want to fill it with nothing right now, but I do want a text box right here. So I could put maybe like my name, because I know I'm thinking about what communities I am a part of. And I'm going to go through this pretty quickly, but I could also, you know, change the size of my font. Also the font itself. If I want something a little more casual, I can change the color of my font, all sorts of things. Okay, so you can really do a lot with this and you can get really creative. I'm just quickly kind of going through some of the basics here. If I want to connect my my first circle to another smaller circle, you can go up here to this line, and you can also, there's other, there's arrows, there's different curly lines and things like that. But I would click here. I have it, and then I can kind of move it. You can make it longer, shorter. You can move it, and then I could, create another circle here, that connects to it, and that would be, maybe the town that I live in, or my subdivision, things like that. So that's kind of how you would create your basic, circles and lines to create this web. But you can really get creative with it. Try to think outside the box. With your Google Draw, you can also change the background to a color if you want to just, spice it up a little bit there. You can make that a photo as well. Just make sure that I can read everything and see everything clearly. You can also, right within Google Draw, insert photos from Google. So you can go to Insert, Image, and then search the web. And say I'm in a community about like a dog walking community, and I just want a picture of a dog. I could search for dog. But a cool little trick here is I can search for dog PNG, and those should be pictures without a background. So I can drag a dog on the spread. This one kind of looks like one of my dogs, and it shouldn't, hopefully it works. Yeah, it shouldn't have a background. So it's more of like a cutout, dog. And so maybe you want to have some pictures there, that sort of thing. I think that's really all you need to know is how to get the shapes and the lines and the text. And maybe some creative elements there. But then after you are done, you will go to File, Download, and for this assignment, you need to download it as a JPEG. Once you download it as a JPEG, you will be able to go into the media album, click Upload from your computer, and then you would select this from your downloaded files. If you have any questions, please let me know.